Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to earn interest in Fiat. Now here's a step-by-step guide on how to earn interest on Fiat currencies in Nexo. The first thing you need to do is to open the Nexo mobile app and if prompted, log in using your email address and your password. Ensure you have deposited Fiat currency, which include USD or Euros, into your Nexo account. If you haven't done this yet, you can follow the steps to deposit Fiat from your bank account. From the home screen, look for the Savings Hub option. It is typically located in the main dashboard or under your account overview. So here you go. Now you have interest earned, and it's of course 000, which is my total balance. From this page, you have create fixed term, you have any Nexo, you have recurring buys, you have upgrade loyalty here, you have renewal with interest. Now you can select any of these options. So let's say you want to use create a fixed term. It means you select a fixed period to receive a higher interest. Now once you click on that, you'll be provided with a list of fiat currencies that are eligible to earn interest, as well as cryptocurrencies. But I need my identity verification to get that done. So once you select anyone that you wish to earn interest on, that's it. Check the current interest rates offered for that selected fiat currency. Nexo usually provides competitive rates that may vary based on market conditions. You can also select Earn in Nexo, so opt to receive your interest payout in Nexo, and can choose recurring buys, that's buy digital assets. On this, so just go ahead and select any of those assets or fiat currencies, just anyone or any of the fiat currencies, or you can even click on top up fiat you click on the top up fiat button in here. To select your fiat currencies. So select any of them. Now I need my identity verification for that. So just go ahead and click on ensure that your identity has been verified. Okay, so if you choose any of those options, just go ahead and select the fiat currency and just follow through with the prompt to get your interest. Now you can check the assets and rate breakdown from the bottom. So click on see rate and breakdown, and you're going to see all of the rates, all of the prices, all of the interest for both your cryptocurrencies and fiat currencies. They are all available. So go ahead and check them so that you can choose the one that you want. Now, by default, any fiat currency you hold in Nexo wallets will automatically earn interest. And if prompted, review the settings and confirm that you want to enable interest on the selected fiat currency. After enabling the feature, your interest will start accumulating on your deposited fiat currency. You can monitor your interest earnings in the app. And how do you do that? Just come back to the Savings Hub and you'll be able to track how much interest you are earning. Nexo typically pays out interest on a daily basis for fiat currencies, and you'll see interest credited to your account regularly, allowing you to reinvest or withdraw as needed. So you can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.